Hi, I'm Jason Paltritz, Executive Vice President and Director of OTC Markets Group. I'm pleased to be joined today in the Market Center by Dr. Alex Sokolowski, who is responsible for North American Investor Relations for BASF. BASF trades on our OTCQX International Premier Market under the ticker symbols BASFY and BFFAF. Alex, welcome to the Market Center and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So can you tell us a little bit about BASF?
Sure. In 2018, BASF reported sales of 62.7 billion euro, or around $70 billion, making us one of the largest chemical companies in the world. We have operations in more than 90 countries and more than 120,000 employees worldwide. We hold one of the top 3 positions in about 75% of the business areas in which we are active. BASF supplies products and services to over 90,000 customers in various sectors in almost every country in the world. Full year 2018 EBITDA before special items was 9.5 billion euros, or around $10.6 billion. We generate around 40% of our sales with customers in Europe, and around 25% in North America, around 25% in Asia Pacific, and around 10% in South America, Africa, and the Middle East. BASF has 12 operating divisions grouped into 6 segments, and those segments are chemicals, materials, industrial solutions, surface technologies, nutrition and care, and agricultural solutions. We operate 6 world-scale Verbund sites, 2 in North America, 2 in Europe, and 2 in Asia, and an additional 355 production sites worldwide. The word Verbund comes from German and means fully integrated. Our Verbund concept is one of our greatest assets and enables us to add value through the efficient use of resources. At these sites, the production plants, energy and material flow, and logistics and site infrastructure are all integrated. Our Verbund site in Ludwigshafen, Germany, is where the concept was originally developed and continuously improved before being implemented in our other Verbund sites worldwide.
So what drives the company, and can you talk a little bit about BASF's culture?
Sure. At BASF, we're passionate about chemistry and our customers. To remain the world's leading chemical company, we will grow profitably and add value to society. This is how we live our corporate purpose, which is we create chemistry for a sustainable future. As for drivers, the world is changing now more rapidly than ever before, driven by demographic changes and new digital technologies. Our customers are facing new challenges due to limited natural resources and increasing consumer demands. Chemistry is key to solving many of these challenges. Let's consider some of the trends creating growth opportunities within the chemical industry. Number 1, population growth. Forecasts predict global population will increase by 32% by 2050, largely in emerging markets. BASF plans to address this increase in demand in Asia by building a new Verbund site in China, in the city of Zhanjiang, in the Chinese province of Guangdong. We plan to spend up to $10 billion to 2030 to build this site. Number 2, climate change. The world has to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 70% to achieve the 2 degrees C increase limit by 2050. Sustainability is very important to us all, and BASF is therefore aiming for CO2 neutral growth to 2030 across all of our sites, keeping our greenhouse gas emissions flat at 2018 levels and then decreasing them even further from 2030 on. And third, demand for battery materials is expected to increase by 300% by 2025, driven largely by the global shift to electromobility. BASF researchers are working to create the highest energy density battery materials on the market, specifically to extend the driving range of a mid-sized vehicle to around 400 miles on a single charge, to cut the battery size in half, and to reduce the charging time to just 15 minutes by 2025.
Interesting. So why should investors consider an investment in BASF?
Well, let me give you a few reasons why BASF shares are an attractive investment. We have a strong asset base in Asia, and we will further expand our unique position in this fastest growing region, especially in China. We have the industry-leading innovation that will drive profitable growth and support sustainable solutions for our customers. Our unique Verbund concept is an outstanding competitive advantage in chemical production, based on the efficiency optimization, operational excellence, and our best-in-class technologies. Third, we commit ourselves to avoiding additional CO2 emissions all the way to 2030, even though we will grow our production volumes during that time. This means we will decouple our greenhouse gas emissions from organic growth and contribute to sustainable development. Another point is we are targeting an increase in BASF's EBITDA before special items of 3 to 5% annually, and a return on capital employed well above our cost of capital every year. Last but not least, we offer long-term value creation with our progressive dividend policy. We are committed to increase the dividend per share every year based on our strong free cash flow. Viewed over the last 10 years, BASF share performance has surpassed our German, European, and global chemical indices.
So Alex, how does trading on the OTCQX market help create value for your U.S. and other North American shareholders?
We are interested in a broad and regionally diverse shareholder base, so it goes without saying that we want access to the world's largest equity market. About 20% of our shareholders are located in North America, and BASF has, for a long time, had a local IR representative in the U.S. to better serve them. BASF ordinary shares are listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and our ADRs and F shares have been traded on OTCQX for many years. Being traded on OTCQX is a cost-effective way to maximize our access to the U.S. investor base while providing investor confidence that certain regulatory and compliance standards are being upheld.
Alex, thank you again for joining us here at the Market Center.
Thanks for having me.